Hi everyone, you are about to see the Snowflake Showcase products. Not only are these products just gorgeous, but they are surprisingly great for projects year-round. First off, the Snow is Glistening stamp set. This is a photopolymer stamp set, and right away you notice the detailed images, like just lots of detail in these stamps and in the greetings as well. And the matched with the Christmas greetings. The tree here is the big image that you notice first off, is just a big collection of snowflakes. So it's so pretty, I love it. Now if you stamp this tree close together, you can create a little background. It's not perfect, but it's the first time I did it. It was really easy to match up. So that is a pretty cool idea. And then also, this piece right here is designed to be used with the Stamparatus. Using the hinge technique, you can do it over and over to create this little falling snow effect. So next is another stamp set, Happiness Surrounds. This is also a photopolymer stamp set, and with this stamp set you see a slightly different style. Still lovely, but slightly less detailed, which gives variety to the coordinating products. All the greetings are more all occasion. You'll see it's your day and hello friend. So coordinating, but quite different. So now that you've seen the two stamp sets, let's look at the Snowfall Thinlits. These Thinlits work with both stamp sets. So just taking a glance over, you can see lots of beautiful detailed snowflakes, just tons of different snowflakes. And they layer with these little snowflake backgrounds here. But then we also have just kind of a little flourish of snow flurry and some leaves as well. One thing that you might notice, that depending on the color that you use to punch these out, they could look like a doily or some other embellishment for a project. There are also some framelits here that go around some of the stamps. And I'll point that out on some projects that we see in just a moment. Last, but certainly not least, the accessories. There's white velveteen paper, which you get 2 sheets per pack. And for you, it may just look like plain white paper, but for me, I can feel that it is just soft and fuzzy. The perfect texture for snowflakes, actually. And finally, the Snowflake Accessories, which are these little charms. And there's 2 different styles. And these are great to put on any project with a mini glue dot. And these have a little bit of a lower profile than some of the embellishments that we've had in the past, so they won't add as much bulk to your projects. Let's see what these lovely products can do. This first card is a lovely Christmas sample with the Christmas tree. And this trunk right here is this little piece in the stamp set. So you can see how those go together. Then all of these snowflakes are the lovely velveteen paper cut out there with a beautiful watercolor wash. Such a lovely card. Here's the next one. Same thing with this snowflake. It's a little bit fuzzy here, I can feel that. And then added some gold embossing right there in the center. And then this Sending a Blizzard of Wishes for a Wonderful Season card. I love that greeting. And the big flurry in the background with some shimmery snowflakes. Now let's look at some projects that make these products useful year-round. Here's the first one, a lovely congratulations card. The background of this card was created using the Wood Designer Series paper and then stamped on it with a couple of the different images, both this one and this one layered together. And then we also see some of the framelits coming into play here. And then my favorite card of this collection of cards, Hello Friend. What a lovely color scheme this is. And this snowflake, look at how it looks like a flower if you use a different color of cardstock. So pretty. These products are available for a limited time only. If you want them, you'd better get them today. Contact your demonstrator or order at stampinup.com. Thanks, have fun.